It is Valentine's season. Welcome back, guys. I am so excited for this video. Look at all this cool stuff that I saw in the stores. I will be creating 2 large Valentine's Day buckets. Have you ever given a Valentine's Day gift to the entire family? Yes. These Valentine's Day gift buckets will include items for the entire family. That means mom will have something, dad, the kids, everyone. So let's just jump right in. First, I have these amazingly cute hearts that I'll be filling with chocolate. Those tags are so cute. Happy Valentine's Day. And the cool thing about shopping for Valentine's Day is that there are so many little messages on the chocolates, and it just makes it extra cute. So once we go ahead and package up these little hearts, I'll be putting candy in another cute little container. Our hearts are all done. One will go in each bucket. Now we're going to move on to these boxes. I love these boxes because it has this see-through heart in the front where you can see some of the candy. So here we're going to put in different candy. We have some heart Reese's, which I think is so cool. We have kisses, and we're just going to go ahead and keep filling it. This is a lollipop with lips. I'm sure the children will love that one. Now I'm going to quickly tie these boxes off. I originally was going to use some other ties, but this came with the box, so we're just going to go ahead and use these. And then after this, we are going to have another gift to wrap up. So let's go ahead and close these boxes really quickly so we can go on to the next thing. All done. Here I have some, as I said, something for everyone. Dad will love these socks, or mom, or grandpa, granny, someone. These socks are so comfortable. I own so many pairs myself. And we're going to put them in this cute little bag with the heart on it. It wouldn't be Valentine's Day if we didn't have an excessive amount of chocolate, right? So we're going to go ahead and fill another bag, cute little bag, with some more chocolates. Moving along, again, we have something for everyone, guys. These wine tumblers are gorgeous. Look at that sparkling red. Now, these beautiful tumblers can be for anyone. It can be for mom, it can be for aunt, it can even be for a cousin. So we're going to quickly wrap it up in this pretty red and white tissue paper. And we're just going to twist it around and tie it with the glitter ribbon. This Valentine's Day bucket is going to be so fun for whoever receives it because they're going to be opening gifts like it's Christmas. Now here I'm just going to curl the ribbon to give it that extra beautiful look. Now that we've finished wrapping up the second tumbler, we're going to move on to our next gift item. We have a ceramic paint set. This is so awesome. Now this is for anyone who's 5 years and older. Again, something for everyone, so one of the kids will love this set. So we're going to go ahead and wrap up this really quickly. So now that we got everything wrapped up, all the candy packaged up, let's go ahead and fill our bucket. Here's all the amazing items. Now, if you know from my previous videos, you would know I love decorative shredding. So yes, we are filling it with this beautiful red shredding. Here we have these large Skinny Pop. Everybody loves Skinny Pop. We're going to wrap it with this pretty mesh red heart bow just to give it that extra decorative look. Now that we got all of our goodies packaged, let's roll in our beautiful buckets. This bucket may not look big in the camera, but it is pretty huge. So we're going to start with our popcorn and then of course fill it with the shredding. Here you will see me stuffing a Kit Kat tube. This is our tumbler that we're going to be adding. Our third item, or fourth item rather, will be the ceramic paint set. And then we're going to go ahead and add all of the chocolate packaging goodies that I wrapped up earlier. And then we can't forget our cushion socks. Now I know you're wondering, where are you going to put that big Kit Kat heart? Right in the middle. We're going to fit it. We're going to fit everything. And we still have one more cute item to put in the bucket. And here it is. This bear is so bright. It's a pretty bright red. We're going to stuff that in there, and it's just going to give it that extra cute look. Of course, we are going to wrap this up with our Easter basket bags. This will be a perfect size. It is pretty huge. So we're going to go ahead, put it on, and wrap it up with some pretty ribbon. Now this is the ribbon that we're going to ultimately tie a bow with. But first I'm going to put the skinny ribbon around it just to hold the bag nice and tight and firm. Now here you will see me just quickly curl the glitter ribbon. And this isn't the end. We still have 2 more items to add just to give the basket that extra glittery look, that extra excitement to receive this big basket. We're going to be adding a balloon, and we're also going to be adding some heart stickers that go around the basket. So stay tuned. Now here we have the balloons, which are nice and tiny, and the glitter stickers. The balloons are the perfect size because we just want something small to put in the middle of the basket to give it that extra special look. So let's go ahead and get it done. I'm gonna stuff this in the top, but you're not gonna see the full basket until the end. So let's go ahead and start with the stickers. We're gonna put the stickers all around the basket, again to give it that extra glittery, lovable look. And of course, with this excess baggage at the end, we're gonna grab our heat gun and just make it a little tight at the bottom.